Oh, Jesus. That cat. Oh, through there.
Fuck.
Through there, isn't it?
Joking at you. You gotta be so quiet.
Yeah.
We ain't getting through that.
Oh, it's all through. Maybe that other thing right there.
Let's not move.
It's all right.
Just roll cap, you know. That's the whole fucking thing.
Right, come on. You push on. Room for a fat bastard.
Oh shit. It's all collapsed.
I'm gonna fall. Can you hold that door, mate? Yeah.
Yeah, the whole fucking thing's collapsed.
Yeah, go on.
See that?
Yeah, go on.
It doesn't fucking collapse. Used to be so quiet in here. Don't know how like.
That's it.
Yeah, on that side of it, yeah. Right.
quid for a birthday card here, mate.
1988.
Birthday grand.
The wallpaper just peeling out. So we've got to be quiet. Because we're right next to another house. So that's this.
Yeah, there's a false set of stairs somewhere.
Oh yeah, them. Yeah. Yeah. Full set of stairs there. Into the living room. Old light switch. Yeah. Wow.
I don't get why it's a false set of stairs.
See how much mail has been through here? Wow. How long has this been empty for? That sideboard is lovely.
It's a lot of nice, isn't it? Proper antique, that, isn't it?
Look at the oak door.
Oh, yeah?
And up on the door. Oh, mate. The slippers.
Yeah. Oh, there's some shoes in that other one, mate.
It's like pure cobwebs in it.
Yeah. It certainly is.
The old cushions.
Yeah.
And crochet.
Crochet.
The books. The memoirs of David Lloyd George. It's just like how the heck did they get that in there? Don't know. Like a bed in the cupboard.
The old one, yeah. Wow.
The teapot with the tea cone.
Oh, sugar. Our glasses.
Oh, mate. Sorry.
Right. That's mad, isn't it?
This is.
Tiny capsule, isn't it?
It is, isn't it, mate?
Yeah.
Proper cobwebs.
That'll be to the front door, maybe.
Yeah, that's gonna be.
Reach at the lucky.
That's gonna be the way out.
Yeah. Oh, you can get out that way.
Yeah. Cobwebs.
Wow. Yeah.
Excuse the camera movements, just trying to get rid of some cobwebs, which I've just now put in my pocket. Look at the hoover matter.
And the hole.
Instructions.
Wow. Mad, isn't it? Can't believe the table bed.
I know. Some beds in the place, mate. The old cupboard. Feather duster. Where's the two sets?
Cupboards, mate. Good job, a little bit taller.
Oh, I didn't see it nearly. Curtains and tea towels and stuff.
Yeah.
Buttons. Thread and cotton.
You know, shaving, mate.
Oh my god, that is old, isn't it?
Yeah. glass cover there. Wow. See that wallpaper though?
Yeah.
Wallpaper under wallpaper.
I know.
That's mental, isn't it?
I mean, it's tiny, isn't it?
Yeah.
But it's a bloody time capsule,
It
mate.
certainly is, mate.
Shall we?
Yeah. You're really not, mate. Oh, see the kitchen? Even the kitchen?
Yeah.
Oh, that was bad.
Is it? Really bad.
Oh, the big spider there, mate, as well. Look at them.
What would you think? It's not funny.
God, this is tiny. Spider. It's me. It was me.
I'll do this one first, mate.
Yeah, come on, mate.
Well, I can feel there's cobwebs
I know, I just had a spider on my head.
everywhere.
Oh, the ceiling's gone there, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Wow.
Right, I don't fancy going too far over there, mate.
Yes.
That floor does not look good. I've got a spider on my head. I can feel it. I do apologise about the camera. The chest of drawers.
Oh, Jesus! That cat!
Flipping hell.
Jesus Christ!
Well.
Wow!
Flipping heck.
Give me a heart attack. Oh, that floor's gone there, mate.
Yeah, it does. Oh my god. No way.
Yeah.
May the 4th,
Oh, my battery's gone then.
1946 or 48.
Mate,
The Crosby Herald.
my light's gone.
Oh. Probably the freaking shock of that cat.
Yeah, I can't believe that. Didn't mean to
Jesus
scream like that.
Christ.
Oh, the old Eubank.
Yeah. Put the book on the fire. Gin rummy.
Wow.
Oh my god.
I couldn't believe that. That just like dived at us.
Oh, look at the hat. I don't want to move too much on this floor, to be fair.
Oh, yeah. Oh, let me zoom out. Look at that.
That's significant, that don't we? See this? The Crosby Herald.
Right, okay.
So it's like sort of where I was from.
Wow.
That way is. It's where my mum lives.
Crazy, isn't it?
That's weird, isn't it? Freaky.
Yeah, let me get
Not as freaky as that cat.
I
Sorry,
can't
I'm
get
swearing.
that. I think I might have to edit that, mate. Especially if it got screamed.
Don't worry about it.
I thought it dived at us.
And I don't even know where it was. Must have been in that cabinet.
Gotta be, hasn't it?
Go on, open the chest, mate.
What else is in there, mate? Is there any more going to jump out?
I don't know. Go on, have a look. No.
That's papers.
God.
Wow.
Nice wardrobe.
Yeah, I'm still trying to get me dick about, mate.
So am I. Still got the key. The hangers. Wow.
I don't know where the cat's gone.
I don't know. Don't want to know either. Have you seen this, the Hoover thing here? Extension-y bit?
Oh, right, okay.
It's still in the box.
Was that off the one from downstairs, what you seen?
Probably, yeah. And there's a St. Michael bag. You know
Yeah.
what St. Michael is, don't you?
Yeah. No.
St. Michael is Marks and Spencer.
Yeah.
This floor, man.
1956 on that, mate.
Yeah. Oh man, where's it? There.
Is it there?
I don't know. Cobwebs. Don't know where it went, mate. But I don't fancy jumping just.
Torch, you
Yeah, come on. Oh, this is weird, this, mate. I'm telling you. Scared now. Look at the books.
Yeah, right. Shit.
The books in the old
I
chest.
see the step then.
The books in the old chest.
Wow.
It says Dreadnought.
Okay.
What that is. Wow, massive wardrobe. The leather jacket. I'll let you get in now, mate, and take some
Yeah,
pics.
yeah, got some.
Sorry, I just want to see the stuff on there, you see.
Just another big chest there as well.
Yeah, it's full of chests.
Yeah.
Oriental rugs. Oh, yeah, there. Any more papers and stuff. More cabinet. Glasses and stuff, and another sideboard. It's nice, isn't it?
That is nice, alright. Proper antique, innit? Seen the doors on me? Look at them.
My heart's a proper antique
I know,
now.
yeah. I just can't focus straight, isn't it?
Oh my god. Nice, isn't it?
It is, mate. It's lovely, that.
They look like bags. Bags of bags.
Yeah, something, aren't they?
Oh, blimey, O'Reilly.
Yeah, it's one of those, isn't it?
I know. Can't see this floor. That's an issue in itself, isn't it? Big pair of boots there, though, mate.
Yeah.
Big pair of red boots. More glasses. An old coin bag. Some cards.
There's carabine in here, though.
Do you know what's not in here, though?
What's that?
It's not bad.
No?
Stocking. It goes back a bit out an alcove.
Oh, right.
Yeah, it goes back into an alcove. It's just like boxes with clothes and bed.
So where would them up the stairs have gone to then?
Well, here. Go behind that wall,
Yeah.
wouldn't it?
I'd have thought so, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Weird, though, isn't it?
Yeah, the old lampshade.
The paint peeling off the ceiling.
Wow.
Oh, there's even a candle there, mate, in the thing. Have a look.
I don't know, a bit.
Do you want the light, mate?
Yeah, go on, if you don't mind for a
Go on.
second, mate.
You
Can't
want
wait,
to take
man,
some
can't.
photos?
Yeah.
But my hand's still shaking.
Oh, wow.
It's good, isn't it?
That's mad, isn't it? Shoes on there, mate. Oh yeah, I can see that now.
Yeah, see the leather jacket?
Yeah,
Cool, isn't it?
that's mad that. Yeah, mate, I'll push you up right now.
Nice. Nice. So, Lee,
Yeah.
what do you make of this one then?
Creepy as hell.
Creepy, brilliant.
Yeah,
little
really good
capsule.
little find.
The cat, oh my god.
Nearly gives that attack.
I know, nearly went through the bloody floor. It was half going anyway, nearly the whole bleeding thing went.
Yeah.
Difficult to get in, I'm going to say.
It's a bit tight.
Bit tight to get in for us,
Yeah.
like. But the wallpaper, the paint peel, the furniture, and just all the little odds and sods, you can see it's really old, isn't it?
It is. Yeah.
It's got some age to it. I mean, look at that bag on there, it's got a label on it.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? So I didn't notice as well, mate. I mean, this room is full of rugs.
Yeah.
by the way.
Oh wow.
Look, they're nicey. And overalls.
Wow.
This was the ladies' room, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's like a dressing room.
Yeah, definitely. But then someone was into the cars and sports.
Yeah.
Got a Morgan sports car mag there.
Yeah.
There's Wild Sports down here, Alaska. There's been some other little bits and bobs.
Odds and ends, aren't there?
Yeah. It's been good, hasn't it?
Yeah.
We're definitely into the books.
Yeah.
Not a TV in sight.
No, definitely not.
I might just get my heart back.
Yeah. I'm just hoping it's not down here.
No. Well, it will be, won't it? Yeah, sure. Do you want me to go out?
Yeah.
Just trying to figure out where them stairs would have gone. I don't know. I think it would have been either this wall or something there they would have come to. Unless they just came straight up here, mate.
You could have done.
And they've changed it.
Yeah.
Because that's like a false wall.
This is it, yeah.
The light on the wall there.
Yeah, look at that.
Weird place with a light in it.
Yeah. Oh, wood as well, that.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's like being made, isn't it?
Yeah.
No bathroom.
No.
I think on that note, mate. We'll leave this one, mate.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
You'll catch myself and Lee on the next one. Try and get in. Oh yeah, there you go. Yeah, you'll catch myself and Lee on the next explore. Keep tuning in. I just want to say we appreciate all the followers that we've had in the last few weeks, especially on the social media.
Yeah.
And we really appreciate that.
Yeah.
So keep sharing, keep following, hit that like button over on YouTube. Don't forget we're over on there as well.
TikTok.
You see the whole explore and TikTok, and we're going to be putting little videos out soon.
Yeah.
So you can have a little bit of what's to come.
Yeah.
Go to YouTube and watch it all. So on that note, we shall say goodbye.